Ideal for multi-family renovation and new concrete construction, Maxxon's Acousti-Top offers sound control when a permanent mat is not an option. Loose lay Acousti-Top onto a clean, smooth, and contaminant-free subfloor with seams butt-jointed. The installation of Acousti-Top does not eliminate the need for expansion or movement joints, including perimeter joints. Around the perimeter of the installation, an expansion of 1/4 inch must be maintained at all times. Tape the seams of Acousti-Top with a minimum 2-inch width tape. Floor goods are installed directly over Acousti-Top. Take care to avoid placing floor seams directly in line with Acousti-Top seams. Gyp-Crete was only the beginning. Count on Renovation by Maxxon for maintenance solutions for the life of your building.